Moon to Mars and everything in between. You may only think about space when you hear the acronym NASA, but NASA actually has a variety of missions that focus on studying changes here on Earth. Here to celebrate Earth Day with us is NASA research scientist Dennis Felixson. Thank you for joining us today, Dennis.
Thanks very much for having me.
And Dennis, what is NASA's connection to Earth Day?
That's a great question. So when most people think of NASA, they think of space exploration and exploring the other planets in our solar system. But one of those planets is our home planet, Earth. I would say it's the most important planet because it's the one we all live on. And NASA has this unique vantage point because from space, we get to use satellites to measure all of the different parts of the Earth system and really start to understand how they're all interconnected and working together.
And NASA is actually planning on launching a crew to the International Space Station tomorrow, correct?
That's right. Yep, delayed from today. They'll launch tomorrow.
And so what are some of the missions and the instruments on the International Space Station that benefit the Earth?
So the ISS, the International Space Station, is actually a unique platform that we have at NASA to study the Earth. We have a suite of instruments on the space station that are pointed back at Earth, and they're taking measurements for things like carbon sinks and sources all around the planet. They measure the temperature of plants and the water usage of plants. And my favorite instrument is the one called JEDI. It's actually a space laser that measures the height of trees and the 3D structure of forests all around the globe.
Interesting. So climate change is one of the major issues of our generation. What has studying the Earth from space actually taught us about climate change?
That's right. So we can measure lots of things using satellites. We're measuring sea level rise all around the globe. We're measuring how the ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica and the glaciers are changing all around the world, and how the temperature of the Earth itself is actually changing. So we know that since the 19th century, the Earth has warmed by about 2 degrees Fahrenheit. And we use NASA satellites to continue to track that warming. And then we use models at NASA as well to try to predict how that warming will change in the future.
And one of NASA's longest running Earth science missions, Landsat, is actually launching a new satellite later this year. Can you tell us a little bit more about this joint mission with the U.S. Geological Survey?
That's right. This is a really exciting program. NASA and the USGS have worked together for 50 years on the Landsat program that has been collecting images of the Earth from space. So Landsat 9 is launching in September. That's the latest satellite in this long-running mission. And with this 50-year record, we really get a long look at how the Earth has changed, how land cover has changed. We can track things like deforestation. We can measure the growth of cities and urban areas. And that long record is really key to understanding how the Earth is changing and how humans are impacting the land use on Earth.
And where can people actually learn more about NASA's Earth Day activities?
So people can go to nasa.gov/Earth Day. That's our kind of Earth Day portal. There are news items and information for adults. There's also activities for kids on there. You can also follow our hashtag this week, Connected by Earth. We're posting all about Earth science and Earth Day all week.
Awesome. Thank you, NASA research scientist Dennis Felixson, for joining us today. And we'll be right back.